Hi friends, welcome to another Circle Time at Home. Let's start with our song. Good morning, rabbits and friends. Good morning, rabbits and friends. Good morning, rabbits and friends. I'm glad you're here today. Hooray! I'm glad you're here today. Let's look and see what we're going to do for today's Circle Time at Home. We're going to start with our calendar. We're going to check the weather. We're going to read a book called Trashy Town. It's a lot of fun. We are going to sort some pictures into trash, recycling, and compost. And we're going to sing Old MacDonald Had a Farm. Should be a lot of fun. Let's start with our calendar. Today is Tuesday, April 28th. Let's look at our pattern and see what color we're going to use for today. Purple, yellow, pink, 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 purple, yellow. We'll color today yellow. All right, let's count the stars in our star jar. We've been doing groups of 10, so let's go ahead and count by 10. 10, 20, 30, 31. Today will be 32, and it's an orange star for today. 10, 20, 30, 31, 32 circle times at home. Let's check the weather. What's the weather? What's the weather? What's the weather like today? Is it windy? Is it cloudy? Is there rain or is there sun? Well, right now it's cloudy. It might rain in a little bit, maybe not. We'll put our cloudy circle, our cloudy square up, and we will color another cloudy square on our weather graph. Let's count and see how many cloudy days we've had. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. 11 cloudy days. We've had the same number of sunny days as cloudy days. And we've had the same number of windy days as rainy days. Can you believe it? Weather is so fascinating. All right, we are also going to say nice words for our cactus today. And I put my cactus on the windowsill with the caterpillar, so I'm going to turn the camera so we can see all of them at once. All right, there's our cactus. Hello, cactus. You're so beautiful. Keep growing. We love you. And here are the caterpillars, the chrysalis. Good morning, chrysalis. Stay safe and warm in there. Can't wait to see you as butterflies. All right, it's time for our book, and today's book is called Trashy Town. This is by Andrea Zimmerman and David Klemesha, and it's illustrated by Dan Yacarino. There's a fun rhyme in this book, so you can say it with me when we get to the rhyming part. Trashy Town. Our trash people came today to take our trash. We were very glad to see them. Mr. Gilly is a trash man. In the morning, Mr. Gilly puts on his heavy gloves. He climbs into his big trash truck. He turns the key. He drives his empty truck down the street. He is looking for trash. Stop! There are trash cans by the school. Mr. Gilly empties the cans into the trunk. Dump it up, smash it down, drive around the trashy town. Is the trash truck full yet? No. Mr. Gilly drives on. Stop! There are trash cans in the park. Mr. Gilly empties the cans into the truck. Dump it in, smash it down, drive around the trashy town. Is the trash can full yet? No. Mr. Gilly drives on. Stop! There are trash cans behind the pizza parlor. Mr. Gilly empties the cans into the truck. Dump it in, smash it down, drive around the trashy town. Is the trash truck full yet? No. Mr. Gilly drives on. Stop. There are trash cans next to the doctor's office. Mr. Gilly empties the cans into the truck. Dump it in, mash it down, drive around the trashy town. Is the trash truck full yet? No. Mr. Gilly drives on. Stop! There are trash cans by the fire station. Mr. Gilly empties the cans into the truck and pets the dog. Dump it in, smash it down, drive around this trashy town. Is the trash truck full yet? No. Mr. Gilly drives down all the streets in Trashy Town. He empties all the trash cans into the truck. Dump it in, smash it down, drive around the trashy town. Is the trash truck full yet? Yes! Mr. Gilly has cleaned up the whole town. Mr. Gilly drives the full trash truck to the dump. Up, up, up goes the truck. Down, down, down goes the trash. I dumped it in. I smashed it down. I love to clean up Trashy Town. Mr. Gilly turns off the key. Whoops, sorry friends. He takes off his gloves. Then he goes home. Now there's only one more thing to clean up. What do you think the last thing to clean up might be? Let's see. Time for a bath, Mr. Gilly. He has to clean up himself. And that's the end of our story, Trashy Town. Such a fun book. All right, today we're going to look at some pictures and we're going to sort them onto our poster here. And we're going to decide if the item we're looking at belongs in the trash can, in the recycle bin, or if it can go in a compost bin. Some people have compost bins at home. We have one here. So we can put all of our vegetable and fruit scraps and sometimes some cardboard into our compost bin, and our leaves and grass clippings. And then that turns into dirt over time that we put in our garden, and that helps the things in our garden grow. Some places in some of the community gardens have community compost bins, so some people add things to those composts. All right, let's look at our pictures and see what goes in the trash, the recycling bin, or the compost. Here's our first picture. This is a styrofoam bowl of noodles. This cannot be recycled, so this is going to go in the trash. I'll put some glue on the back and put it in the trash column. Here we have some cans. Once they're empty, cans can go in the recycling. So we'll put it in our recycling section. All right, and here we have some orange peels. Orange peels are fruit and vegetable scraps. They can go in the compost bin and be turned into new soil. There we go. All right, here's this. It's a plastic baggie. It can't be recycled, so it has to go in the trash can. Let's look at this, kind of a small picture. Those are plastic water bottles, and those can be recycled, so we'll put them in our recycle bin. And now we have this picture. That is the outside and the top of pineapple, and that can be composted, so we'll put that in our compost area. Let's do a couple more. What do we have here? Those are diapers. Diapers have to go in the trash. Disposable diapers. Cloth diapers can be put in the laundry. Those are disposable diapers, so they have to go in the trash can. Let's see what we have here. That's a box of cereal. And when we've eaten all the cereal, we can break down the box and recycle it. So we're going to put that in our recycle bin. And we have this. These are green beans. The ends, if you snap off the ends of the green beans, that can go in the compost bin. So that's where we're going to put them. Let's do some more. Let's see what we have here. Those are containers for nuts, I think almonds and cashews. That has to go in the trash can. Put that up there. And we have this. That's a plastic milk jug. That can be recycled, so we'll put it in the recycling section. And let's look over here. Oh, corn on the cob. The outside, the green part of the corn and the cob, when you're done eating it, those can be composted. So we're going to put that in compost. All right, let's do some more. We'll do one more round. Well, there we have chip containers. Those can't be recycled, so they just have to go in the trash. Okay, let's see. Oops, let's see what we have down here. Those are soda cans. When we're done drinking the soda, those cans can be recycled, so we'll put them in our recycling bin. And what do we have over here? We have cucumbers and bell peppers. The seeds and the tops and the ends of all those can be composted, so we're going to put that in the compost bin. Let's do one last round. Oops, picked up the wrong thing. Here's the picture I was looking for. I cut some things yesterday for us. That's toothpaste container, and it has to go in the trash can. It can't be recycled. Okay, let's see what we have over here. Those are Kleenex boxes. Like the cereal boxes, when you've used up all the Kleenex inside, you can break down the Kleenex box and recycle it. So we're going to put that in our recycle bin. And let's see this last picture. Slid away from me on the floor. What do we have there? Those are mushrooms. So if you are cutting mushrooms for a dish and you don't want the bottom of your mushrooms, those can go in the compost bin. So we have some things that have to go in the trash can. But all of these things that can go in the recycling bin or in the compost, putting them in the recycling or compost means they don't have to go in the trash can, and that saves us from having to throw those things away. So it's a great thing if we can put some things in the recycling and some things in compost. It's good for our earth to do those things. Excellent. Nicely done. Now we are ready for our song. We've done our book and we've done our sorting activity. And our song, I have some pictures. Let me look. Aha, I found them there. I moved them to the other side of me. All right, we're going to sing Old MacDonald Had a Farm. Ready? Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. And on his farm he had a cow, E-I-E-I-O. With a moo-moo here and a moo-moo there, here a moo, there a moo, everywhere a moo-moo. Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. And on his farm he had a duck, E-I-E-I-O. With the quack, quack here and the quack, quack there, here quack, there quack, everywhere quack, quack. Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. And on his farm he had a pig, E-I-E-I-O. With an oink, oink here and an oink, oink there, here an oink, there an oink, everywhere an oink, oink. Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. And on his farm he had a horse, E-I-E-I-O. With a neigh-neigh here and a neigh-neigh there, here neigh, there neigh, everywhere neigh-neigh. Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. And on his farm he had a chicken, E-I-E-I-O. With the cluck, cluck here and the cluck, cluck there, here cluck, there cluck, everywhere cluck, cluck. Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. And on his farm he had a sheep, E-I-E-I-O. With a ba-ba here and a ba-ba there, here a ba, there a ba, everywhere a ba-ba. Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. Well, friends, thanks for joining me today. I'm so glad I got to spend this time with you. I hope you're doing well. I think about all of you every day, and I pray that everyone is staying safe and doing well at home. I look forward to being with you again tomorrow. Let's finish with our closing song. Ready? Goodbye, 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 my friends, to you. God bless you everywhere you go, in all you say and do. See you tomorrow, friends. Goodbye.